Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We have a book here today. Dangerous Animal Sounds. Are you ready to listen to the sounds of different types of dangerous animals? Let's see if you can name the animals with me. Do you know what animal this is? It's a male bison. How about this one? Yes, it's a rhino. Let's listen to the sound of a rhino. A rhino will gouge and slash its prey with their sharp teeth rather than using their horn. This is a rhino. Let's listen to the rhino sound again. What about this one? An American buffalo. Let's listen to the sound an American buffalo makes. When being aggressive, American buffaloes make explosive grunts. Their horns and size make them highly dangerous, and they are known to kill more hunters in Africa than most other wildlife. Let's listen to the sound again. Let's turn the page and see what other dangerous animals we have. Do you know what this is? That's right, it's a lion, the king of the jungle. Let's listen to a lion roar. When hunting, a lion will knock down its prey before killing it with a bite to the back of the neck. Lions are very dangerous. Let's listen to the sound again. What about this one? This is a mountain lion. Let's learn about the mountain lion. Mountain lions are able to sneak up on their prey and attack by sinking their teeth into the prey's skull. Whoa! What about this? Do you know what this is? Yes, a gray wolf. Let's listen to the sound a gray wolf makes. Do you know wolves will kill their prey by biting flanks and shoulders? They communicate with each other with sounds like howls, growls, whines, barks, and yelps. Let's listen to the sound again. Wolf. Let's see what other dangerous animals we have. Do you know what this is? It's a strawberry poison dog frog. Let's listen to the sound it makes. The skin of a strawberry poison dart frog secretes deadly poison which will poison any animal that it eats. What about this one? Do you know what this is? Yes, that's right, this is a cobra. Do you want to hear the sound of a cobra? Let's listen to it. A cobra has a hood that spreads and can scare away predators. It is highly poisonous and could kill an elephant with one poisonous bite. Wow! This is a blue poison dart frog. And this is a loris. The loris is poisonous and has a patch under its elbows that releases venom. Let's turn the page and see what other animals we have. Do you know what animals these are? This is a wild boar. Let's listen to the sound it makes. The wild boar has sharp tusks, both inside and outside of its mouth, which it will use to skewer its prey. What about this? Do you know what animal this is? Yes, it's a hyena. Do you know a hyena is a cannibal? Which means it eats its own kind and can crush bones with its strong jaw. How about this one? Yes, it's a cheetah, one of the fastest animals in the world. How about this? It's a black bear. Let's listen to the sound a black bear makes. That's so loud. Let's see what other dangerous animals there are. These are dangerous sea animals. Look at this. It's a goblin shark. A goblin shark can stick their jaw over centimeters out of their mouth to catch prey. What about this one? It's a black marlin. A black marlin will use its sharp bill to skewer many fish at once. Whoa! Do we know what this is? It's a saltwater crocodile. Let's listen to the sound a saltwater crocodile makes. A saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile on the planet and can kill almost anything. It has the strongest bite of any animal in the world. That's so crazy. Wow! Do you know what this is? It's the great white shark. Let's listen to the sound a great white shark makes. A great white shark could smell 1 drop of blood in 95 liters, which is 25 gallons of water, and are one of the top species of sharks most likely to injure humans. We need to be very careful when we swim in the ocean. Thank you so much for learning about different types of dangerous animals with me. and listening to the sounds. Do you want to hear them again? Let's listen to the rhino. This is the American buffalo. Lion. Wolf. This is the poison strawberry dart frog. Cobra. Wild boar. This is the brown bear. Crocodile. And the great white shark. Thank you so much for learning and having fun with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.